Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Today we're looking at two separate condominiums, two different areas. This is a studio in 32 Sanson, and it's by Rockwell. Rockwell is known for high quality construction, high quality projects in several areas of the Philippines. This is 33 square meters. 33 square meters is equal to 355 square feet. Now, your average new condominium in much of the Philippines is about 22 square meters, so it's 10 square meters larger than average. And you've got a cooktop. You've got quite a bit of storage space here. Of course, your kitchen sink. You've got an oven, which is unusual, and I think that's induction cooktop, which is really nice. I prefer induction. They do not heat your house up like regular heating units do, and quite a bit of space there. I'm not sure if this comes included, or not. What else can I tell you? I'll show you a little bit around. There's a pool and a nice gym. Nicer gym than what you'd normally see. And yeah, you've got what's called a micro balcony. You can open the door out here, and we'll go take a look at that. And what else can I tell you? They're asking 30,000 pesos a month for rental. And I think she said there's a little bit of room to negotiate, maybe even down to like 28 pesos per month, which is enough under 1,000 per square meter. A lot of these high-end places get over 1,000 per square meter. So there's your micro balcony. It's nice that you can open the door. Up there you got Nivell Hills and Marco Polo, not so far away. Up on the hill up there, Nivell Hills condominium is under construction still, and more expensive houses up in this kind of hilly area right outside, and that is called the Verde Hills, I believe. Verde Hills. So you're not your closest mall is GY Square Mall, which I shopped at for over a year when I was first here, about 2.5 years. Smaller mall, but has a lot of the things that you need, and you're not very far from IT Park. I took a hobble motorbike taxi. Took us, I think, less than 10 minutes to get here, so taxi would be about the same. And your CR, they call toilets and bathrooms CR, comfort rooms here in the Philippines. Nice size. You got cabinets. A lot of these condominiums, in your bathroom you get a small sink and you don't have any storage space at all. But yeah, lots of storage space. Additional storage space here. Little desk, kitchen area there. Very nice. Should be quiet. We'll take a little walk around. Very wooded, very green area. They've got, I'm not sure if they've got 5 different mid-rise towers or a few more than that. Not absolutely positive. But they've got these little trails you can walk, and a lot of trees, so you get a lot of shade. And I'll take you to the pool. This is taking us to the pool. This actual video I took a few years ago, actually. With another real estate agent that showed me this when they were they were a couple years newer than what they are. But Rockwell is known for high quality construction and high quality maintenance as well. And you can see that the grounds are well trimmed, manicured, taken care of. And that's nice. I've known a couple people that have stayed up here and liked it. Some more buildings up there. Yeah, a number of different towers. Might be 5 or 6. I forget. And the price includes the condo dues, so you would just pay the electric and the water up and above that, is my understanding. And here's a look at the pool area, of course. Looks like a little, that'd be a jacuzzi there, right there, not filled with water when I was there. I don't remember. It was a few years ago when I was there. Anyway, I don't know if it was before the pandemic or after the pandemic. But nice pool area, and like I said, Rockwell is known as one of those companies that keeps their properties up, clean, neat, manicured, and nice gym. Nicer gym than what I see in most places. Not sure if that was a little fans there or not. Lots of equipment, free weights. And my understanding is that this unit is available now. And I was a little bit surprised that it wasn't a higher price, because Rockwell generally gets premium prices, premium product and premium prices. So sounds like a really good deal anyway. Yeah, nice gym and pool area there. Let's go to IT Park down the road a bit. Asia Premier. There again, their studios are larger. This is a studio. Not sure of the exact. I'm not sure if it's 28 or 30 some square meters. The maintenance guy or the security guy showed it to me. Had the keys downstairs. They've got a pool and gym as well. I'll show you that later. But yeah, split type aircon units. More cupboard space than you see in most areas, which is nice. Got a couch there. Interesting bed here. It's sitting on the floor, but it is, if you know what memory foam is, I felt of it, and it appears to be that higher expensive memory foam. Very, very comfortable touch when I press down into it. I bought, in fact, the mattress that came with my condo. I went out and bought some memory foam to put on top of the hard mattress, and there's a look out at IT Park. IT Park is a city within a city, basically. It's a big central business district in Cebu City, and you've got restaurants and bars and condominiums and hotels. You've got the Ayala Mall Central Block in the center area. Lots of fast food places, lots of other restaurants. So yeah, I know guys that have said, yeah, they hardly ever even leave the area because everything is right there. Anyway, I think they're asking 23,000 pesos, which is a pretty good deal. It's there again, substantially under 1,000 per square meter, and that includes condo dues as well. And here again, this part of the video is a video I took some time ago, but yeah, nice pool up here. Not sure what floor this is, but you're overlooking IT Park. And I had a different camera then, so it's a little more shaky. Should be quiet because I don't think you don't see dogs wandering around. You don't have roosters crowing. They've got speed bumps in the roads down there, so you don't. When I'm there, I don't hear a lot of really loud motorbikes. So it should be a pretty quiet area, and their gym as well. I've been up here 4 or 5 times over the years. I've seen one person using the gym at one time, I think. Otherwise, you got the place to yourself. So 2 larger than average studio condominiums, pretty decent price on them. I will put contact information in the description of the video, and they are both available now. I believe there's a one-bedroom available in Asia Premier too. I wasn't able to get a hold of the owner in time to view that to see if it was open or rented. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks and safe travels.